Hi, good afternoon, all. This is Jesh, and this is the like 1 uh, p.m. today. Good afternoon. We are sitting here at 22nd September 2022. So today's topic we are going to cover that is related with the TDE encryption. Okay. So there are some slightly changes has been made by Oracle in 19C TD. Earlier, people used to set parameters in SQLnet.ora encryption keys and all, but since 19C it has been deprecated. So we'll cover those topics one by one. The testing environment, configure the software key location for environment, creating password protected software key store, opening that key store, setting the master key for the root DB, root container, and PDBs, converting password protected software key store to auto login, take the full backup of key store, convert non-encrypted table spaces to encrypted table spaces using the offline and online method, setting the parameters. Okay. So, just briefing about the transcript, the transparent data encryption. It enables the sensitive data to store at the table and table spaces. TD can apply individual columns also on entire table spaces. So the both options are available. You can, if you are the critical tables, you can encrypt those columns only for the particular table. For entire table spaces, including all content, I can use that option as well. Okay. After the data is encrypted, the data is transparently decrypted for authorized users or applications when they access the data. So TD helps to protect that store on the media, also called as data as rest. If storage media or a data file is stolen, I mean anyone cannot read the data until and unless you have the keys of TD. To prevent unauthorized decryption, TD store encryption keys in external security model. It is like the OS location where we're putting the master key. External, it is external to database. We call as key store. In multi-tenant environment, we can configure key store either the entire CDB that's called as united mode. I mean, if you're configuring on the entire CDB, that's called as united mode. But if you are configuring the same configurations on the individual pluggable database, that's called as isolated mode. Using the online offline encryption, existing encrypted table spaces enable you to implement transparent data encryption with a little or no downtime. You do not need to modify application because the entire TD encryption is performed on the database itself, database server. The basic idea is, whenever your table space is encrypted, all the data or the tables you are or the object you are creating on the database table space, that will get automatically encrypted. So no extra step would be there for encrypting those tables and objects. So normally this is what you can see, that is a two-tier architecture, right? In the database, what we are seeing that all the databases would have its own encryption key, right? All the table spaces stored inside the database. Okay, but at the same time, another encryption key stores on the one module, the key store module. What you can see that it is stored on the outside of the database. That's called as master key. So idea is when the request comes to read that data from the database knows that the data is encrypted, right? But while decrypting, Oracle needs that local key, but local key also encrypted by the master key. So they send the request to master key to decrypt that particular key, so that database can decrypt those data requested by the client and sent across the network.